Alright, I'm gonna do a video on the Denon having no sound and finally figured out the solution. I'd like to thank one of the commenters of my previous video, Rambler358. He came up with the solution, and I just wanted to let people know that this is out there.
So right now I got no sound. What I'm going to do is go to my sound bar input where my eARC is set up. I call it sound bar.
So on the Denon, I try to go to the setup menu by pushing the setup button, but it doesn't go into setup, and that's a problem. So what we do is we do this.
So now we turn off the Denon and we turn it back on. We wait for it to boot. It takes like a few seconds to boot. And basically it gets to main zone, and that's where you want to stop.
Hit setup on the Denon now.
And see, it lets you into the settings mode. From here, you go down to video and you go into HDMI setup, and you basically disable HDMI control. What this control does is allow the Denon and all your devices to use one remote, which I've never used and I don't really care about the feature, but you have to turn that off. So you click on it and you turn it off. I also turned off the ARC that control uses. So now you save this by hitting setup again. And then we go back to the remote for the TV, and you can hear that the sound's already back on.
So you don't really need that setting if you're not going to want to use one remote for everything, and the sound works fine now.